Ever wondered how your houseplant, standing there in your living room, makes its own food? It's not magic, but a fascinating process called plant nutrition. Just like we need food to grow and thrive, plants also require nutrients for their growth and development. However, unlike us, plants are autotrophs, meaning they make their own food. They don't need to hunt or gather. They simply create their sustenance from the resources available to them. This is where the concept of photosynthesis comes into play. Photosynthesis, a term you might recall from your school days, is the primary method plants use to make their food. It's a process that transforms light energy, usually from the sun, into chemical energy that the plant can use. Think of it as a plant's own little kitchen, where it cooks up its food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. By now you may be asking, how does this photosynthesis process work? Well, prepare to be enlightened. Photosynthesis, a process as old as life itself, yet it remains one of the most incredible phenomena in nature. Let's break it down to its roots, shall we? Imagine, if you will, a plant basking in the golden rays of the sun. Now, this isn't just a lazy afternoon suntan. No, the plant is hard at work, utilizing the sunlight to kickstart a remarkable process. Here's where things get interesting. The plant, in its leafy brilliance, takes in water from the ground through its roots. It simultaneously breathes in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny pores in its leaves called stomata. Now, with the water and carbon dioxide in place, the sunlight comes into play. It acts like a catalyst, sparking a chemical reaction that transforms these simple raw materials into something truly magnificent. This process, my friends, is photosynthesis, a word that comes from the Greek words photo, meaning light, and synthesis, meaning putting together. It's essentially a plant's way of cooking up its own food using light. Quite the master chef, wouldn't you agree? Now, you may wonder what's on the menu. The end product of this sunlit culinary extravaganza is glucose, a type of sugar that plants use as a source of energy. But that's not all. As a bonus, the process of photosynthesis also produces oxygen, which the plant generously releases back into the atmosphere. So next time you find yourself taking a deep breath of fresh air, remember, it's courtesy of the greenery around you. And when you're munching on your favorite fruit, be it an apple or a banana, know that it's a sweet gift from the sun, water, and carbon dioxide, all whipped together through the marvel of photosynthesis. So in essence, every breath you take, every bite you eat, owes a debt of gratitude to the magic of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis isn't just about feeding plants, it's also about sustaining life on Earth. Let's delve a bit deeper into this. You see, every breath we take, every gust of wind, every whisper of oxygen in the atmosphere, owes its existence to photosynthesis. It's the green factories of plants that pump out oxygen as a byproduct, replenishing our air supply and making life as we know it possible. Beyond this, photosynthesis plays a crucial role in combating climate change. As our industrial activities pump increasing amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, photosynthesis acts as a buffer. Plants, through photosynthesis, absorb carbon dioxide, using it to create their own food and, in the process, reducing the levels of this greenhouse gas. Photosynthesis, then, is not just a plant process, but a life-sustaining phenomenon. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity, a process that fuels life on Earth, while simultaneously helping to keep our planet's climate in check. So we've taken a journey from a single question about plant nutrition to the realization of the importance of photosynthesis. We've unraveled the mystery of plant nutrition, understanding how plants create their own food through a process that's as fascinating as it is vital. We've delved into photosynthesis, a marvel of nature that transforms sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose and oxygen. A process that's not only the basis of plant nutrition, but also essential for life on Earth as we know it. We've also highlighted how photosynthesis impacts our environment, playing a key role in the global carbon cycle and providing the oxygen we breathe. From heterotrophic nutrition to saprotrophs, we've explored the diverse ways in which plants meet their nutritional needs, painting a picture of a world driven by the silent green engines that are plants. Next time you see a plant, remember, it's not just sitting there, it's performing a silent miracle that keeps us all alive.